Alright, do a little walk around here of my new build. This is La Fonda, the Honda, as you can see. It's not the greatest looking car, but it's a base ride. Go inside here real quick. We got two Resilient Sound Team 15's and a B-pillar. Still need to put a couple tweets up there, but it has a wood roof in it. All the fillers are done. It's all sealed off. A big old port there in the middle, right at the back of your head. But she gets down though. Running it on just a little Sony head unit. Be a matter of time before it beats it out. Had to weld in the sunroof. It was a sunroof car. Couldn't put a wood roof in with the sunroof in there. Now I'll come back here. Trunk don't look the best. I need to paint the inside of it. Got 80 amp hours of EH5 lithium here. Little Teraamps DS800x4 runs the highs. Got the MD12K. It's the 0.5 version. Now this amp is only wired to 1 ohm, so the highest I've clamped out of it was 5,000 watts, but the car's peak is 37, and it only clamps around 3,000 watts. It does 153s, almost 154s, but I'll get another 12K and put one per. Should get a little bit louder then. But this is why you haven't seen any videos of the truck here lately. I still have the truck, but it's no longer my base vehicle. It's a daily. So I took this little Honda 2-door and threw these big monsters in it. It definitely, sorry about the glare. It definitely is rowdy. I'll be posting videos from competitions and demos and stuff. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for my people that watch. Subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and I'll keep uploading videos. Thanks.